Come on today with Saturday Morning Makes Fall into August, I believe, with Anna Wight and hashtag two crafters, one design. So this week we are focusing on this little scarecrow, which is from Cottage Cuts. That's Gloria and I. So I'll have all of the ladies' channels linked down below that you can go over. I want to hurry up and just show you all of these markers that I use, which are a lot. So hopefully you can see all of this. This one is Bria Reese, and that's the S, which is that black. And then these are Bria Reese as well. There goes that one. As well as this one. Okay, the rest of these are, this is a Copic here. And then the rest of these are Spectrum Noir, but you can get all of those colors there. Hopefully you can see them. There goes that one. I mean, I use a lot of markers. Here goes my browns. There. Hopefully you can see all of those. And that one. And here goes another set of colors. All of those there. And these here. So what I did is I just cut the image out in white and I used the markers to color it up. So hopefully you can see all those markers. All right, let me show you what else I use. So use this. I use the Spellbinders cutting die set, and I just made it as a border. So that's what I used with that one. And that's called the Fluted Classic Rectangles. I also used, I don't know if it's Paper Smooches or Avriel. Anyways, I used this one right here. And then I finally dug out some Graphic 45, but I'm just using this paper. I used the back side of that, which is just like a plain green. And I don't know the name of it. I don't know. Anyways, I used this one. And then from this one, I used a piece of paper that kind of looks like wheat. This here. All right. Let me show you the card. It turned out so cute. All of those colors, and it was so much easier just coloring up everything. Isn't it so cute? Absolutely adorable. I love how it turned out. I tried to use the same colors for the pumpkins and things and the apples that they had, as well as the sunflowers, but I wanted her to look a little different. So I just I changed her shirt and pants. So, but I love how it turned out. There goes the inside of the card, and I'll probably put some kind of harvest stamp in the inside. But love how that turned out. Make sure you head over to everyone's channels. So, like I said, I'll have Jill Norwood's channel down below, as well as the hashtag. The hashtag that goes with Anna Wight's channel, and Gloria and I's own personal hashtag two crafters, one design. So make sure you go over and see what she's created as well. Thanks so much, everyone. Check out the picture at the end, and you all have a blessed and crafty day.